Hi, my name is Craig Stewart, and I'd like to put out a big welcome to all the Ventsim users in Australia and around the world. Since developing the first version of Ventsim over 25 years ago, the Ventsim community has grown to thousands of minds, companies and ventilation professionals all around the world. There are now dedicated Howden Ventsim teams in Australia and Canada that continue to research, develop and support Ventsim software. And they've got great news. After a number of delays, the team is excited to announce the first Ventsim user conference in Brisbane, Australia in March 2022. In the two-day conference, the Ventsim team look forward to presenting a range of keynote speakers and presenters who will share their expert knowledge of mine ventilation design, modelling and project case studies. The Ventsim engineers and software programmers are also excited to present new developments, features and a roadmap for future versions of Ventsim. And of course, it's a great opportunity to meet and share knowledge with other ventilation professionals and the Ventsim team at the conference in a great social environment. The registrations are now open, so check out the website www.ventsim.com for further details about the conference and to book your attendance at the conference in Brisbane, Australia in March 2022. I hope to see you there.